hello there. Guess who's back? Back again. Brittany's back. Tell your friends I'm back, and we're just gonna do things. We're just gonna see what happens. Just finished up kids' winter break, Christmas, all the things. Throughout the break, I've had just this pull to come back and make my typical type of content that if you're still around, this is the type of stuff that you've seen before. And if you're new here, hey, subscribe, check it out. We're gonna have some fun. Today we are gonna be tackling the Christmas takedown. I have tons and tons. I have dogs. They're excited to hear me talking to myself. Hey, if you can't talk to yourself, then who can you talk to? It is the Christmas takedown, and I have tons of Christmas stuff everywhere. I held off on taking all this stuff down until the kids went back to school because I didn't want to waste any time doing that when I could be spending time with them. So, I've got Christmas stuff piles everywhere. I've kind of got stuff a little bit organized. I've kind of not got stuff a little bit organized. I've got 2 trees that are up, plus the kids' little trees in their room, which they're just tiny trees. I've got Christmas pajamas, stockings, all that kind of stuff. We've got to get it all organized and put away because it is time for a clean slate. I get excited to decorate for Christmas, and then by the time Christmas Day hits, I'm so ready to take it all down and put it away and just have things clean and organized, and that is the vibe. That is the vibe. And after this, we're going to be getting started on a huge decluttering series because I have a ton of things to declutter. Your girl has slacked. We've got a lot of things going on. The kitchen is tore apart. I'll be showing you guys that at some point. And it is just crazy, crazy times right now. But let's go ahead. I've got about an hour before I've got to get ready to head out to get the kids from school. So let's see if we can go ahead and power through this and get all this Christmas stuff taken down and put away. Yeah, let's see if we can. Like I said, if you're new here, please subscribe, stick around, stay a while. And my name is Brittany, mom of 3, millennial mama. We got things to do. Let's go. Starting here in the master bedroom, I've got laundry and things going on top of the bed. That was my lunch. I just finished folding up some laundry, so I needed to run those dishes downstairs. We'll get to it. We got some Christmas stuff here that I've got to take care of. We've got Christmas coloring books and things over here in this corner that I need to take care of. We've got Christmas pajamas, stockings, things here I need to take care of. Down here in the hallway, I've got all of my boxes and bags that I was able to salvage. And then just a couple of odd and end things here that ended up not being used in my decorating. So we're going to start upstairs. We're going to work through those areas. Just a couple things to grab here out of the bathroom. It's really not too much. Just a couple things that I put in here. The soap dispenser is going to stay, my Christmas one. Both bathrooms have Christmas soap dispensers, so those are going to stay until we use up all the soap. Grab the things out of the kids' bedrooms, but let's go ahead. Let's try to organize things into a pile here in this corner, and then we'll box everything up. I've got to pull the boxes from the hallway closet, and then we'll get everything boxed up and put away. So how is everyone doing out there? I hope that this video finds you well out there in your place in the world. And I gotta say, it really feels good to be back. Although once I get into the happenings over the course of filming this video, I'm almost wondering if God was trying to send me a sign, because I got some stories to tell y'all. But as far as this video goes, I am trying to sort through everything here in this bedroom and get it organized into a way that I can get it packed back away and out of the way, because there is just so much Christmas stuff. I feel like every holiday, like Christmas just blows all the other holidays out of the water when it comes to decorations and the stuff like books, coloring books, the packages, everything. It's just, it's a lot. It's a lot. So here I am in my hall closet, and I'm pulling down the Christmas boxes here. And at some point we're going to be tackling this hall closet because it's an atrocity at this point. And I'm not even going to say a disaster. It's beyond a disaster. And I'm grabbing the decor out of the kids' bedrooms, and I'm trying to keep everything really nice and private for them. That is one of the reasons that I decided to step away for a while. But yeah, we're back again, and we're just going to try to keep the kids out of this. Just for their privacy and safety and all of those things. So I'm just kind of using my little box that I acquired from Costco, and I'm just going to haul things from all of the rooms up in here. Let's go downstairs. I had been sorting and gathering things as I went, like Christmas pajamas. As I washed them, I made that pile there by the bed and all of that. But downstairs, everything pretty much stayed as is. And so now we are downstairs, and I am going to pull everything from here in the playroom, which the playroom is a disaster as well. And yeah, we're hauling things back up as the box fills up and sorting everything out as best as we can before we go ahead and box everything up. But like I said, I hope you all are doing well. I appreciate you so much for coming back, or for coming by if you're new. I can't thank you enough for coming over and hanging out with me today. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys have been up to, what is going on in your world. I'm sure everybody has their Christmas stuff down by now, which I've had mine down for a while, but more into that later. I had 2 Christmas trees in my living room this year. My little one here that you see, and then, of course, our bigger tree. And I almost left this little tree in the living room, just took all the ornaments off, but I decided, you know what, I just want to go ahead and get it put away. So we did end up taking it down, but I did leave out a couple of little winter odd and end type things that could be just classified as winter rather than Christmas. My little white trees, you can hardly see them on the white stand. Those are pretty much the gist of that. But yes, we're going to go ahead and take all of these ornaments down. These are ornaments that either the kids have made or kid-friendly ornaments, and I let the kids just go ham on decorating this tree. They also did all of the decorating on the other tree, but I did do all of the fluffing and adding the lights. The kids had a really good Christmas, and it was a good time. I really made the most out of everything for them and tried to make it as magical as possible. Lots of watching the Christmas lights, and we had little events at the school, and we went to a Christmas parade, and we just tried to make the most of it. I baked so many cookies, and we did hot chocolate nights and lots of Christmas movies. My favorites are The Grinch with Jim Carrey, and then also Elf. Those are my top 2 favorites. I, of course, love Home Alone, as well as Home Alone 2, which I come to find out this year, that movie is highly underrated. Like, that movie was almost better than the first one. Like it definitely ranks right up there with the first one, as well as the Santa Claus. But anyway, we're going to get away from talking about Christmas. So we are on day 1 of this video, and I was filming with my phone as well as my camera because I wanted to do a short, which you guys will see that short if you decide to head over to my shorts page and watch. I'm going to get more active over there. But anyway, I'm taking down these decorations, and I went to go stop the filming on my camera on my phone, and I ended up knocking over the tripod and knocking my camera onto this hardwood floor, and it landed on the lens, and it is not working. And so when that happened, I just had myself kind of a breakdown. I almost took it as a sign that I wasn't supposed to come back to YouTube, but I'm going to try. Like I said, I'm going to be more active on the shorts page, especially now that my camera is out of order, and so that means filming is all going to be from my phone once again, like it was on day 1, and I'm just going to be saving up money to get my camera fixed. I found out it's going to be a couple $100s to fix it, and that's just not something in the budget right now for me, so definitely going to be saving up to get that taken care of. I was literally devastated. I did a lot of crying, so yeah, we got Snap Magic to take down the rest of the tree because at this point we are filming on my phone. And so I pulled the rest of the decor from the downstairs as well as took down the rest of the tree off camera that evening, and this is what we were left with when we came back on day 2. Now, filming on my phone really isn't so bad because honestly the quality of the camera on my phone is better than the quality of my camera, which is weird. I know. I don't know how that worked out because my phone's actually older than my camera. But also another thing, I went to look and see how much it would be to replace my camera because I was like, hey, I've had it a couple years. Maybe it's cheaper. No, it's actually hundreds of dollars more. It's anywhere between $700 and $1,000 on Amazon. And when I got it with like this whole pack with like a camera bag and like all kinds of little accessories and stuff for it for $500. So I guess that's inflation. I don't know. But anyway, I found the time lapse that I did for the remainder of this video very satisfying, and it actually worked out really well because it doesn't take up too much storage when I do a time lapse. So I hope that you guys enjoy that as much as I do, but I'm just packing everything away as best as I can. I made sure to pull all of the batteries out of anything that had batteries, and I used up every little nook and cranny of space that I had. I packed stuff into my cookie tins. I always do this, and I would love to have me some matching Christmas totes and, you know, have that type of thing to look at when I go into my closet, but it's not something that's in the budget for now. And in the upcoming videos, we are going to be tackling a ton of decluttering. This bedroom is first on the list. I have a ton of stuff to get out of this bedroom, so that will definitely be the next long form video. I stored all of our cloth type Christmas stuff into this Santa sack, and we're going to put it back in this storage bag, which is where we got it from when I went to decorate this past year. And now we are just going to put all of the boxes back into this closet as best as I can for the time being. And this closet is on my list of things to declutter. It's going to be a huge journey and a major series. So I hope that you guys will come back and tune in for all of that. And I'm going to store all of my gift bags and boxes and Christmas cards. That smaller gift bag with the little doggy on it has all of my Christmas cards that are left over in it. So we're going to store all of those back here in the closet. This is where I usually keep them. And yeah, we're just going to wrap this up, and I'm going to show you guys an overview of what's to come in the next video. And that's it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this Christmas takedown, even though I'm sure all of you already have your Christmas stuff put away. But I hope that it still inspired you or motivated you to tackle something that you need to do. So next time we will be tackling this bedroom. We will be decluttering this area here, as well as my donate pile that I have here in this closet. But till then, take care of you. Bye.